Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Class 5th, subject English. Lesson is Birbal the Wise. New words. Mission means a specific task or duty assigned to a person. Nightfall, night, the approach of darkness. Doubt, uncertainty about the truth or fact. Advantage means better or more favorable position. Rein, a leather strap used to control the horse. Stable, a place where horses are kept. Recognize, to accept or be aware of. Offer, to present. Rob, to make something from someone illegally or by force or threat of violence. Whip, a length of leather used to beat a person or an animal. Wisdom means knowledge, judgment, good sense. Thank you.